Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube TV on your iPhone. So to watch that, you can simply go to your App Store and you can go to search and search for YouTube TV on your App Store. So the first app that you're going to see is the YouTube TV application, and you can simply click on the Get button to install it. So after you install the application, you can simply open the application from right here, and when you open the application, you can simply sign into your YouTube TV account on your iPhone and you can enjoy watching. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.